Nara is the capital of Japan's Nara Prefecture in south-central Honshu. The city has significant temples and artworks dating to the 8th century when it was Japan's capital. Nara has an estimated population of close to 360,000 in 2019, making it the largest city in Nara Prefecture and the 6th largest in Kansai region. Nara was the capital of Japan during the Nara period, from 710 to 794 as the seat of the emperor before the capital was moved to Kyoto. Deer roam in Nara Park, site of Todaiji Temple. According to the legendary history of Kasuga Shrine, the god Takemikazuki arrived in Nara on a white deer to guard the newly built capital of Heijukyu. Since then, the deer have been regarded as heavenly animals, protecting the city and the country. Tame Sika deer roam throughout the town, especially in Nara Park. In 2015, there were more than 1,200 Sika deer in Nara. Snack vendors sell Sika Senbinor, deer crackers, to visitors so they can feed the deer. Some deer have learned to approach the tourists in Nara. Nara's best-known temple is Trudai Temple. It was built by Emperor Shomu in 734. Its purpose is to protect the people against diseases. It is best known for its Great Buddha, the largest gilded bronze Buddha statue in the world. It is 49 feet or 15 meters tall. It is housed in the largest wooden building in the world, which is 157 feet or 48 meters in height. Todai Temple is a reminder of Nara's past. The Great Buddha and the building that houses it have been damaged many times in its history. It has suffered from earthquakes and fires. However, it has always been built again. Nara was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1998. It is home to 8 temples, shrines, and ruins, specifically Todaiji, Saidaiji, Kofukuji, Kasubu Shrine, Yakushiji, Tashudaiji, and Heijo.